How do I set up the GrowBlock? Comes in 2 boxes that gets delivered to your home or business or restaurant. There's 12 screws that we provide, the screws and the tools. There's no extra tools that are needed to assemble the GrowBlock. It comes with its own instructions. We also have a video of assembling the GrowBlock on our website. Please check that out for more information. So when your shipment first arrives, make sure you inspect the entire package for damage. Our lights and pump each have a full 1-year replacement warranty. Feel free to reach out to our customer support team if you have any issues with either of those. We'll be sure to get a replacement out to you as soon as possible. For more videos on how to use your GrowBlock and maximize the impact of your monthly grow box, subscribe on YouTube or visit us online at produceforall.com.